Imagine eating a simple slice of bread and triggering an immune reaction that damages your intestines. For millions of people, this isn't imagination, it's reality. Today, we're breaking down celiac disease, what it is, the foods you must avoid, and the science-backed strategies to manage it. Plus, at the end, I'll share my top 5 gluten-free survival hacks to make life way easier. Celiac disease is an autoimmune condition where the immune system reacts to gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. This reaction damages the small intestine, reducing the body's ability to absorb nutrients. Symptoms can include bloating, diarrhea, fatigue, anemia, weight loss, and even neurological problems. If left untreated, it can lead to osteoporosis, infertility, and other serious complications. The only treatment for celiac disease is a lifelong gluten-free diet. Avoid completely wheat, all forms, spelt, durum, semolina, kamut, farro; barley, including malt, malt vinegar, malt extract; rye and triticale, wheat-rye hybrid; most breads, pastas, cereals, and processed foods unless labeled gluten-free. Watch for hidden gluten in sauces, soups, soy sauce, gravies, and salad dressings. Thankfully, there are many naturally safe foods. Whole foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, gluten-free grains, rice, quinoa, millet, buckwheat, amaranth, teff, sorghum, certified gluten-free oats, proteins, eggs, fish, poultry, meat, beans, dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese, check additives. Strict gluten avoidance is the only proven treatment. Prevent cross-contamination, separate utensils, cutting boards, and even toasters. Nutrient focus. Celiac patients often need extra iron, calcium, vitamin D, folate, B12, and zinc. Research updates. Enzyme therapies and probiotics show promise, but they're not replacements for a gluten-free diet. Now let's talk about survival hacks. These will make your gluten-free life way easier. Top 5 gluten-free survival hacks. 1. Always carry a gluten-free snack in case restaurants don't have safe options. 2. Download apps like Find Me Gluten-Free to locate safe restaurants nearby. 3. Invest in a dedicated toaster for gluten-free bread to avoid cross-contact. 4. Always ask restaurants about cross-contamination, not just gluten-free menu items. 5. Use naturally gluten-free staples like rice, potatoes, and corn to keep meals affordable. Oats are always gluten-free. Wrong. Only certified gluten-free oats are safe because regular oats are often contaminated. A little gluten won't hurt. Not true. Even trace amounts can cause intestinal damage. Quick question for you. Do you know someone with celiac disease? Drop a comment below with what challenges they face. Your story could really help others in this community. Celiac disease may sound overwhelming, but with the right food swaps, hacks, and science-backed strategies, you can live a full and healthy life. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health guides. Together we can make health easier, one video at a time.